Hello everyone. Thank you so much for the wonderful feedback you have given for my last video, which is regarding the health, the mindset. So today I'm going to share a detail, about what is health and how you can be healthy. Because we are so prone to go to gym and doing a crash diet, but still we are not very healthy. So I'm not talking about that how to reduce weight, but I'm more interested to talk about how to be healthy. So what do you think that what is called healthy? According to me, what I have learned from my mentors is healthy means your all the cell need to be healthy. Like health is the energy of my cell, because health is the energy of my cell. So what I've learned, like health is related to energy. Energy of my thought and belief makes up my mind. Energy of my emotions and feelings make my heart. Energy of my karma makes up my spirit. So energy of my cell is make me healthy of my mind, from my mind. So energy of my cell means I'm healthy not only from my body but from my mind as well. So definitely mindset is also plays a very important role to be healthy. So today I'll share you very quickly the 6 points which you, if you follow it rigorously, definitely you feel healthy. Because you always notice that when you are in a high life condition, we feel healthy. When our mood is good, when you are energetic, we feel healthy. But whenever our mood is low or we are not very energetic, we are not feeling healthy, because our cell need that kind of vibration to be happy, to be always in a high energy, always in a high, my high life condition should be good, right? So please note it down, the 6th point, that is very important point. The first important point is, which is required to energize your cell, is oxygen. Oxygen is something very very important, because most of the people have this misconception that food is very important, but I believe that oxygen is very important. This I actually experienced it, because I have practiced for last almost 1 year the deep breathing and all, and that really helped me to be healthy and be energized. So oxygen gives us lot of help. Our health has improved by oxygen. So because oxygen means prana, in Hindi is called prana. So prana is all about your life. So that is very important. So it's very important that you can do some regular basis, some breathing exercise. Like box breathing is one of the best breathing technique that I always do every day. What is box breathing? Box breathing is all about, like, you have to inhale in count of 5 count, then you have to hold in count of 5 count, then you have to exhale in count of 5 count, and then again you have to hold in count of 5. So this way you have to do the box breathing like at least 5 to 10 times. Or else you can do, those who are doing yoga, they know about lom vilom vyam, like pranayam. So that also is really works well. So oxygen is something is very very important. So the first point is oxygen. What is the second point? I'm sure you all sell food. Again, food is not comes in second, water comes in second, that is H2O. So even if you can see H2O, like obviously you all studied in chemistry, H2O, O stands again oxygen. So in water also we have oxygen. But it's very important that we should not drink water from like plastic bottle, because that is dispatch, that is not a good quality of water. Water should always be flowing, or should be like हम बचपन में मटके के पानी पीते थे. That is very very healthy. So I understand nowadays मटके का पानी is not possible, but at least flowing water is very important. Even if it's not flowing, but don't go for the stored water like plastic bottle and all. So that is very important. And how many water intake is required? Of course, depend on your age. Of course, if you are 60 age, of course you have to take 4 to 5 liter. It will depend on age, but water intake is very important. And also it's very important how you are taking water. Like generally people who are always in a hurry, they are gulping the water. It should always be sipping the water, and it should always take water in a relaxed mode, in a sitting way, not like when you are standing and you are just taking the water. That is not a best way to take water. It's very important. It's not about everything. I'm sure it's a common sense, everyone know these things, but how many you are implementing, that matters. So implementing is very important. So how you implementing, that's all gives you a result. And the third is, again, it's not food, it's all about movement, that exercise. That's why the moment you are waking up, a lot of blockages, lot of stored energies there, especially in your joint. It's not about only that gymming and all really help. Cardio is not only help, it's all about your all strength training, all body part, like whether it's your eyes, whether it's your this movement of your palm, movement of your finger, everything matters. So it's all about how you are moving your each part of your body, your head, your from top to bottom. You have to make like movement. That is very important, because every joint there is a like stress is stored. So of course the blockages are stored, so that you have to release it every day. And of course if you're doing a proper cardio, proper gymming, proper walking, of course brisk walking, this is all is definitely good, but at least 15 to 20 minutes of movement of your every body is very important. Dancing is a very good exercise. If you do dance, you are very happy, you are really doing a lot of movements. That is something is very important. The third is definitely the movement, the exercise. Then fourth is of course the rest. अगर आप गाड़ी को भी 24 घंटे चलाओगे तो obviously वो थक जाएगा. Same like our body is a machine, so of course we need a rest, we need a proper rest. Rest means doesn't mean, there are a lot of people who are saying that they are sleeping by 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. and then they are waking up 11 p.m. 12 p.m. 11 a.m. 12 a.m. That is not rest. Proper rest means proper sleep at the night time, like of course at 10:30, maximum 10 to 10:30 you can sleep, and morning you can wake up. If you wake up early, like Brahma Muhurta, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, that is good. At least like 6 o'clock, like proper 7 to 8 hours sleep is very important. And of course those who are working like night duty, they can, it's exceptional, but if you possible, try to sleep by 10 p.m. and in the morning wake up by at least in the early morning, like 6 a.m. at least. And if it's possible for waking up early, say 4 a.m., that would be great. So I'll repeat again. The first is of course the oxygen, second is of course H2O, third is movement, exercise, fourth is rest, and now fifth is of course the food. Food, again, we all know that junk food is not good, nutritious food is important, but it's not about food, it's all about what time you are taking the food and how much quantity you are taking the food. Even you can take any kind of food, whether it's all sweets, also carbs, anything, but how much quantity, that matters. And even how break, like in the morning, if you are taking breakfast in a good healthy way, then you can take like of course the afternoon meal in a little lighter, and dinner will be very light, and that is also before the sunset, like 7 p.m 6 p.m 7 p.m if it's possible. And of course that's why you always saying that breakfast should be like king, and dinner should be like very poor, and lunch should be like dinner should be like very beggars, and lunch should be like like moderate. This kind of things is very important. And last but not the least is the digestion. Of course how you digest the food, that is very important, because सारी जो बीमारी होती है वो पेट से ही होती है. So that is something is very important. So I hope you have really learned this technique. I'll just repeat for you. The first is oxygen, second is water, H2O, third is of course movement, fourth is of course your rest, and fifth is food, and sixth is digestion. So these are the things that if you can follow it properly, I'm sure you feel healthy, because health is all about really energize your cell. That is very important. So I hope you like this video, and please comment what you like, and do you really implementing all this or not. And definitely I can meet you in my next video. Thank you so much.